Most men will never date the woman they want, not looks-wise, not character-wise, and generally most men don't have much options and they are not the chooser, they are the chosen. So they just settle with the first girl they see, and even guys that are into game and that go out and meet women, they just settle way too early and they don't have the reference experiences to really find the right girls for themselves, and they do not develop as a person as much as they should so they can find the right girl. And then 3 years later they've been into a toxic relationship and they end up with a girl that's draining their energy, that's not fitting them, that's not fitting their lifestyle or their dream lifestyle, and they just settle with a girl that is not good for them. And yeah, guys, the right girl will not come once you have your business, once you have the six-pack. Like me, the right girl is not going to come just because you think that once you achieved this and that goal, that she will walk around the corner and she will suddenly be there and fall in love with you. You still have to go out to approach girls and meet girls and put yourself out there. She's not gonna come on Tinder when you swipe left and right or whatever. You have to take action to find the right girl for yourself. I have clients that have Lamborghinis. I have clients that make $250,000 a year or a month even, and they still struggle to get the girls they want before they joined my coaching program. My name is Phil Heitlinger and I'm helping you how to approach, meet, date, attract, and of course take home exactly the kind of girls you want. And in this video, I'm going to give you a laid out process that you need to go through when you're starting from zero or as a beginner with girls in your dating life. Look, if you want to get into a relationship with a girl, you have to choose the girl from a place of abundance and not because she's the only option you have, man. That's pathetic, right? You want to be the guy that's choosing, okay, I like this girl, looks good, character great, she's doing what I like, you know? And then you choose and not you wait. I also had the mindset that I would be like, oh, I hope she likes me and I hope she will text back, you know? You can't be like this. You have to have the mindset, I'm gonna go and talk to her and see if I like her, not if she likes me. You're the chooser, not the chosen, all right? Look, I went from not having any option, like 0 options, until I was like, let's say 19, 20, when I started to travel the world to really learn how to become confident and how to have social skills and flirting skills, because like you probably already know, dating and social skills are a skill like playing guitar that you need to learn and you need to master, by the way, to get exactly the kind of girls that you want. Look, so I went from 0 options to now, when I'm talking to girls, I say so much things and do so much stuff that could like put her off, or there could be like a reaction, or I could piss her off. But if she's passing my tests, so to say, that I give her and I let her jump through the loops, then I can find exactly the kind of girls that I want. You know, you have to screen out and filter through how you act and what you say. You have to screen out the girls that you do not want in your life. But most men don't even want what kind of girl they want in their life. Or do you? I don't know if most men understand this, but attractive women basically have unlimited options. They have so many options that they can't afford to talk to guys that do not have the same value. Okay? So women have so many options that you have to basically become a hot girl yourself, or at least have the same value. And this can be done through game, through confidence, because confidence is the one thing that attracts girls more than anything else. Game and confidence. So that means you should never ever settle too early with a girl. You should always date many girls and then find out in each of these relationships who do you want to meet, what do you want, and what do you not want in your life. Look, and there's also this misconception, especially in businessmen. They think now they're on their mission, now they're starting their business and the career, and then one day suddenly the right girl will come around. But that's not true. But it is true that you have to have values and boundaries, values that you're looking for in people, and sometimes you even have to develop these values yourself to actually screen out for them, and you have to have crystal clear boundaries. So that means you have to know what kind of behavior do you accept and what kind of behavior you do not accept. And once you have boundaries, and by the way, if you're like right now, you don't have any social skills and any confidence, then you have to develop these kind of values. Because if you think about it, when you don't have any boundaries and you just accept all the behavior, all the shit that people are throwing at you in your face, and you get treated very badly, then you probably have to do some work, and you have to work on yourself and develop that character and develop that personality that people can't just treat badly. Because what I found over the years is that you always kind of get the women that are in the same stage in your life, right? Because right now I'm pretty much only meeting girls, even if I'm randomly approaching them anywhere, anytime in the daytime, because that's what I like. I worked for 3 years as a club and party promoter, and I met so many girls in nightclubs. But you have to ask yourself, are you meeting the kind of girls that you want in nightclubs? I don't meet the kind of girls that I want in nightclubs, because I don't want to have my girlfriend getting hammered and doing drugs and ecstasy and LSD all the time, you know? Maybe it's fun for them, but I don't know about you. But do you want to date like a drug addict? Because you have to think, you always kind of attract what you are yourself. So that means the more you level up, the more your girls or the girls that you're meeting are also leveling up. Because think about it. Do you think you can get like a very attractive girl that is going to the gym and is taking care of her body when you're chilling at home and you're eating pizza and peanuts and salsas and pasta all the time, you know, with a lot of cheese and a lot of oil, so it tastes really good? I don't think so. I think if you take care of your body and your health and everything, then also the girl that you're attracting is doing exactly the same. But what I do think is that you have to have a mission in life, like something that is more important than the girl, and something where you can like express yourself, where you are on your mission, where you are following your purpose, so to say. And this can be something different for everyone, but you need to have something that is important for you. This can be your family, your hobbies, your job, your career for most people. And it's just really important that you have something that is more important than the girl. Because, you know, the girl can just leave anytime, anywhere. And if you're making your girl feel like pressured or obligated in your relationship or anything, then you're doing many things wrong. You should always have something that is more important than the girl. So what I want to tell you with this is that you need to find a girl that is accepting your values and your boundaries, and that she knows that she can't just behave like she wants. And also you want to have a girl that is supportive, that is supporting you in your goals and with your dreams. And by the way, if you don't have any dreams, then you should definitely ask me for my help or join my Facebook group, where you can ask these questions. How do you find your purpose? How do you set goals? And how do you make stuff happen in your life? But if you do not know what your goals are and what your dreams are, then you can't also really find the girls that you really want. Look, so basically what I'm actively doing when I'm talking to girls is that I say things and do things to screen out exactly the kind of girls that I don't want. And I even give her the chance to walk away at any point. And I'm not even mad at her if she does. Because you need to think, when you're successful in your business or in your career, or you still kind of have your life together and stuff like that, but you don't have these social skills yet, and you need to learn it. That's my point number 3. You can never attract the girls that you really want if you, for example, are afraid of talking to girls. Your girlfriend knows, she feels, she knows exactly what kind of value you are having. So basically you always have to thrive to become the best version of yourself, to become the most confident, the most charismatic, the most successful in your business, in your mission. But you also have to have these social skills. And when you're building these social skills, you always are vulnerable also. You know, when you're saying certain things, you have to know when do you open up, when do you not open up, what do you tell the girl, what do you don't tell the girl. And you need to know how to communicate effectively so you screen out exactly the kind of girls that you want and especially don't want. Okay guys, just to wrap this up really quickly, define your boundaries and values, then find a mission and a purpose in life, and of course learn the game and social skills. And most of my clients are actually having the boundaries kind of and also have a mission in life or what they like to be doing, but they lack social skills before they join my coaching programs. And that's so important. You have to know what do you want to communicate and what do you do not want to communicate. So if you need help and if you're afraid of talking to girls and you kind of don't know what to say and you don't know what to do, then what I want you to do right now is that you apply for a free consultation call with me and my team, and we are going to call you to find out if and how we can help you and to analyze your situations and of course give you some value and tips, and then you can see and we can find out if you're a good fit for our coaching programs. And then my friends, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, leave a comment down there, and then thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. I could feel the butterflies multiply every time I meet your eyes. Amplify deep inside once I feel your skin on mine. Though I try, I can't hide all the ways I feel inside. You're everything I wanted.